Hi, welcome to the web design video. This is a list of suggestions how you should use this video. The notes for this video can be found here at this URL. It is case sensitive and the website is loaded here. Okay. Alright, let's see where we stopped. So in the last video, we put everything in CTEM Web Design 2024 and we created a prototype index.psd file here. Okay, and we also created a image only HTML document. So if you open this, this is what you have. Obviously this is just an image. You use this to show this to your client, but it's pretty useless because nothing is clickable and it's just an image. Okay. All right, the next step we are going to do is we are going to make a copy of what we have done. Okay, the index file was in folder 21, design prototype. We want to make a copy into 31. So if we mess up anything doing our slicing, we can go back and get back the old file. Okay, so let's go to 21. Right click, copy your index.psd, come back here, go to 31 and do a paste. Okay, so now you have another copy of the index file in 31. So let's open this in Notepad in Photoshop by double clicking on it. If everything goes right, it should be in Photoshop. Okay, so let's select the Excel folder. So make sure you select the Excel folder with all the folders inside. Okay, and then let's zoom in here. So the next step we want to do is to quickly export all the images. Okay, in order to export images, we can do what we did last time. We can use rectangular marquee tool to, let's say we like this image, we can always just come over here and say I want the whole thing here, right? And then I can do edit, copy merged, and I go open a new file and export that. So that is the safest, it's not the fastest, it's probably the safest way to copy things. Okay, without going into the details, it's fast and all that. But let's say I don't like that. Let's do a select deselect. I don't like that. I want to export everything at the same time, and then I can pick what I want. Okay, to do that, what I can do is I can actually use under crop tool, there is something called a slice tool. So click on that. Okay, and let's say I like this part. So I can just slice that. All right, if you want to be sure, you can always go in and double check. You see, my slice is not good. So what I can do is undo new slice. My slice was not correct. So it's probably a better idea to just zoom in. All right, so I got a 445 times something, right? This was correct. Okay, because I start at this guide and I end at this guide. Okay, and the next is you want to do it here. All right, so we got a second one. Next one is a bit tricky, so let's zoom out a little bit. Size 2 again. (1140,140). Okay, and then these are standard sizes, so probably I should zoom in. Let's do a file save just in case. I'm pretty sure I messed up. Let's zoom in again. Yeah, as you can see, I messed up this part. Undo. Oops. Slice 2, you don't want to crop that. 16065. One 16065. 16065. 16065. Same dimensions. Same dimension. Okay, and we move downward. One 16065. I messed up. One 16065. 6565. 6565. 16065. Save your work. Zoom out. Alternate zoom to zoom out. Okay, the next thing is actually we don't really need to crop the text, but yeah, since we are doing it, we just crop it as well. So slice. I mess up. Five 540,265. 540,265. Okay, last two. Let's zoom in a little bit. So when you zoom in, you don't really make mistakes. I mean, it's less likely to make mistakes. And of course, having a big monitor helps. 25515. Zoom out a tiny bit. This one, let's get the whole thing. Oh, I messed up. Messed up again. All right, let me zoom in a tiny bit more. Five 54015, file save. Zoom out. Okay, so we sliced everything. So the next step would be to export all those. Okay, so that's a really good place to stop. Save your work. And if you have not done so, save your work, and then you realize that it's in a different folder. Okay. All right, that's a good place to stop. Okay, in the next video, we are actually going to export the images. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.